Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive right into how to automate sales follow-ups using Monday.com. First up, you'll need to create a new automation. On your Monday.com dashboard, find and click on the Automate button. This button is the gateway to saving you countless hours on manual follow-ups. Now that we've done that, you're going to see a pop-up with a list of automation templates. The reason we do this is to simplify our task. Monday.com has a plethora of pre-built automation templates that cater to various business needs. Scroll down and select the When Status Changes to Something, Send an Email to Someone template. This helps us because it automates the process of sending emails whenever a status changes in your sales pipeline. Next, customize the automation to fit your sales follow-up process. You'll need to specify the status and someone in the template to match your needs. Let me explain why this matters. Customizing the automation ensures that the right people receive the right message at the right time, enhancing your team's efficiency and communication. Now, click on Add to Board. This finalizes and activates your automation. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com will now automatically send an email whenever the specified status changes in your sales pipeline, effectively automating your sales follow-ups. And just like that, you've automated your sales follow-ups in Monday.com. This is a game changer for managing your sales pipeline and ensuring timely follow-ups. Remember, the key to a successful sales process is consistent communication, and with Monday.com, that's easier than ever. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.